you ready to go down in the sewer?
Yeah, let's do this.
Let me pop open the cap. Hold on.
All right. Oh, wow. Wow, you were working out? That just
I
came
have
right
been
off.
working out. Ready? I think I did.
Oh, God.
Good thing we're going in the sewer.
Yeah, right.
No one will notice me.
Kind of fitting. Anyway, I'm going to go down this ladder.
All right,
So ready?
you go first.
Oh,
God. Are you going right down there?
Yep.
Oh, jeez Louise. All right, I'm coming down. Here we go.
Are you taking a different ladder?
I'm going down the mushy ladder.
Sure, my side's drier.
Whoa!
You're telling me. I'm not the one who
Dwayne, what are you doing? That's the last time we go to Taco Bell on our lunch break.
Is there a horse down here?
A horse in the sewer?
I know, that's terrible. We gotta get it out.
All right, we're gonna start doing what we're supposed to do
Okay,
down here
all
in
right.
the sewer. I'm gonna rake, you
I'm
shovel.
gonna shovel. Here we go. Come on!
Wait, what are you doing?
You gonna blame? Oh, I just got my shovel.
All right.
Well, this is embarrassing.
Whoa.
Okay, you know what?
You know what? We
Let's
forgot our gas masks up in the street.
We did.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back and get
You
my
get
gas
them.
mask.
Get them. You're much faster going up the ladder than you are going down.
I think I'm a hamster. Okay.
I noticed the ladder was spinning.
All right, I'm putting on my gas mask.
All right, here we go. Mine doesn't make a sound. It's a silent gas mask.
We have a whole Star Wars theme here tonight. All right, coming back down. Watch out.
Oh, I came up there.
I'm ricocheting across the Here I am. Yes.
You should be a professional dancer. That was
So
amazing.
you're now Dwayne. I am.
Well, excellent.
All right.
You know what? The first thing we gotta do is make this deeper. So I'm gonna fire up this jackhammer
Okay.
just to get a different
All right.
sound.
And I'm gonna start.
It's one of those low energy efficiency jackhammers.
I'm gonna start some vacuums. I'm gonna start.
Okay, I'm gonna try the jackhammer one more time.
That was the industrial strength vacuum, which is not eco-friendly. Okay.
No, it's not. I gotta narrow it
All
down.
right, starting the vacuum cleaner. Here we go.
Are you a Ghostbuster? You're a Ghostbuster, Dwayne. I knew it.
Oh, I'm stuck to the murky wall. I'm stuck.
Okay, here, I'm gonna pull you. 1, 2.
I'm coming down with my gas. Good thing I have on my gas mask.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, you know what? This is not. Yeah, I'm not having
I'm
it.
glad we're getting overtime
Yeah,
for
me
this.
too.
All right, so.
Glad I have Sunday off.
Right.
Okay, you know what? Let's just clean up this small area and get out of here.
Okay.
All right, don't open that gate, because you know what happens when you open floodgate B.
Oh, I
Don't open it.
You sure?
Don't open it.
But, is that steam? Is there steam there?
Oh God, open it. Open it. There's
Open it.
steam.
There's
Open
steam.
it. There's steam.
Here, I'm gonna pull the
It's
pole.
steaming. Pull it down. Oh!
A jet plane was actually behind us. And yeah, I didn't know we were under the airport. Yeah.
Oh my God, the Little Mermaid's back here. Oh my God, Ariel!
Where's
Ariel!
Is there a bird?
I think
There's birds in the sewer now.
Oh my God, the Ariel and seagulls. That's awesome.
I was thinking it was a ghost bird.
You know what? I'm gonna quit. I can't stand this job anymore.
You know what? Let's just knock out these horrible sound effects.
All right.
I have my radio here. Let's just put on some talk radio. Ready?
Talk radio.
And go.
Hey, so today in Boston, it's nice sunny and Memorial Day weekend, so
We're
it's
not
pretty
in
great.
Boston.
Let's listen to some rap music.
I'm glad we changed the channel together, though.
Some rap music.
I don't think that's a good idea. Yeah, I don't think rap's a good idea. Anyway.
Some music is
Yeah, let's do it.
Britney Spears.
Music is pride, but it's caused by the U.S. government.
I'm not sure. No, the lyrics have gotten worse as she's gotten older.
Yeah,
she's not what she used to be. She's just gonna turn it off.
Hey, you know what? Let's call it a day. I'm exhausted.
You want to? Okay.
Yeah. I'm exhausted. I'm covered in,
Alright.
work.
Well, you know what? Let's put these boards across here and get
Yeah,
out of
let's
here,
close
right?
this up.
Wow, your hammer has a delay on it.
It does.
Alright, after you can go up first.
Alright, here we go.
I can't keep up with you.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Come on up.
I'm Yeah, oh, this ladder was a bad choice.
No, we still got back on the mushy ladder.
Oh, this is the clown ladder.
Oh,
That's cool.
yeah,
We got that. We got
Okay,
that.
well, I'm gonna call it a day, man.
Absolutely. Dwayne, we'll catch you later.
I'm gonna go down to the pee filtration lab, see if I can get a job.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're good at that.